Welcome to my YouTube channel. We have this data set which is Fitness Tracker, and we would like to determine how to lose weight using inspiration from it. We first import the Python libraries, we load the data set into Pandas. Then let's display the first 5 rows using head. You can see the columns in the data set. We have BPM, BMI, weight, calories burned, session duration, and so on and so forth. In data modeling, data understanding is very important. So let's inspect the data further using info, describe, and shape. Info, we examine the data types, and none, nor count for each column. Describe, we summarize the numeric columns to give us the mean, the minimum values, the maximum value, and so on and so forth. Shape will give us the number of rows and columns. Then let's classify columns into categorical and quantitative variables and also check for null values. Now, the data cleansing part. We'll start by handling the missing value. We'll do this by filling the numerical columns with missing values, with their median, and categorical columns with their mode. Let's verify if they are still missing values. Now we can see they are no longer missing values. Then let's check for outliers. There are a few outliers, as you can see. So we'll run this in order to remove all the outliers. And now we verify to see if the outliers are removed. Outliers are now removed and the data is ready for visualization. Let's visualize the categorical features using pie chart. We can see the female category is 52.5% and the male category is 47.491%. Therefore, there are more female in this data set. Visualizing the workout type, we see workout type needs more cleansing. We will need to remove the /n and the /t characters that are present. After running this code, we now have 4 unique data for workout type. We will run to visualize it in pie chart. Then we have this bar chart. Calories burned and session duration in hours are almost normally distributed. This means that the highest population is almost the same thing as the mean. In other words, mode and mean are almost equal. Age, weight, and BMI are right good. We can see here that the workout strength is having the highest calorie burn, with female burning more calories. Male seems to be burning more calories in cardio. Now to correlation matrix, we see that they are also all the data sets are. All the columns are weakly correlated. BMI is not supposed to be weakly correlated with weight, going by the formula of BMI. We need to make a little trick by doing some more data handling. Using the formula BMI equals to weight divided by height raised to power 2, we will replace calculated BMI with BMI. If the difference between calculated BMI and BMI is greater than 0.1, then we'll do the replacement. Checking the correlation matrix again, we can now see that there is a strong correlation between BMI and weight, meaning the higher the BMI, the higher the weight, and there's a moderate negative correlation between BMI and height. This means the higher the BMI, the lesser the height. Let's try decision tree for our machine learning algorithm. Here, the hex variable contains all the columns from the dataset, except the calories burned, gender, and workout type. Because gender and workout type are categorical variable, and calories burned is our target variable. The y variable contains value from calories burned column, which means that the x variable contains the attribute set and y variable contains the corresponding labels. We are splitting the data into 20% test and 80% training. That is, we are training with 80% of the data and the rest is testing with a random state of 42 to ensure consistency in the split data set. We will train the algorithm using decision tree, regressor, class, and fit method, then we'll predict. The accuracy of the model is 68.96%. This is the actual versus predicted calories burned. The red straight line is the predicted, while the actual values are the scattered blue dots. Let's use random. This is the feature importance plot with fat percentage having the highest contribution and workout frequency as the lowest. In conclusion, due to the nature of the data set, we can predict with minimal accuracy. Strength workout for female works best in burning calories, while cardio is best for male. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.